And welcome to this black screen again. I want to tell you one thing about this black screen. Look at this black screen. This is look very awesome. Very good to work on it. I want to love to do work on it. But first of all, while I am going to tell you one very important and one very lovely thing. I can say lovely. I'm not sure what you want to say, but I am saying it is very lovely for me. So now this is a project copy of one title. This is media browser and libraries. Please enlarge this area. If you want to work on project area, enlarge this area. You can easily see the meta browser, libraries, information, effects. Actually, you can use effects from there too. If you want to use effects there, you can click on this. And if you want to create an effect workspace, you can use effects workspace from there too. So there are two areas where you want to work. You would love to do work, you can too. So this is media browser, libraries, information, effects, markers, and history. You can change their places very easily. Select this project and easily drag there. This is a media browser and now this is a project panel. You can change libraries. You can change the place of information and you can change the place of effects. Or now look at this. These areas are changes with the changing of these, changing of these things. If you want to select markers on your first, you can select markers. Look at the colors of your markers. If you want to show history, you can show your history. New open, how many bins you have created. You want to delete a copy of an untitled project. You can delete the copy of any project. You can delete the sequence and you can delete the bin. Project items you can delete and delete bins where you can delete your items. So this is a history. New, how many new bins you have created, how many bins you have deleted, what project you have deleted. This is the area where you can find everything about your project. While we are hovering over these things, you can see 3 lines with every single thing. You can see these 3 lines. You can easily see these 3. You double click on this and you can see different things. Step forward, clear history settings. While media browser, these 3 lines show different things. And refresh, allow duplicate media during project import. And new media browser panel, import as image sequence. You can import sequence too. Not only the single images, you can import a single video, you can import a single audio, but you can also import a sequence. I'm gonna tell you a sequence, but not now. Now we are working about project panel and different panels and their sub panels. I think this is a mother panel. These are like our kids panel. So this project panel have a lot of kids and kids are going to do different things in our project or in our sequence or in our work. This is information of type. What is the sequence type? Video, what is the length and frame? What is the frame per second? What is the audio hertz? Tape, not set, and in and out. So while we are going to effects, you can see presets and all the things you are shown in effects workspace. So these are the libraries. Nothing is present in these libraries and media browsers. You can see a local disk and this is C drive and D drive. You can import easily from these drives. You can import media easily from these drives. So these are the project panel, and these are the kids in the project panel. Now narrow this panel and look at the source panel. Now click in the source panel. This is audio clip mixer, metadata, and effects control. All the three lines are there in the metadata too. Metadata is very interesting, I already told you, but we are going to learn this metadata when we have a project in our project panel. So now we have no project, no video, no audio, no nothing in this project panel, nothing in this metadata too.